Welcome to a world where precision meets personality. This determined visionary arrives at the chair today with a magnificent canvas of natural volume, carrying a look that has served its purpose but is now ready for a high-level evolution. We are not just performing a service here, we are executing a transformation that demands absolute technical mastery. Looking at the authentic texture of the hair, you can see the potential for something truly breathtaking. The consultation is the first step in this masterful journey where the stylist and the client align their visions to create a silhouette that commands respect. Every great transition begins with a clear understanding of the facial structure and the hair's natural flow. As we prepare to take years off the appearance, the atmosphere in the shop is electric. This is the moment where we move from the familiar to the extraordinary, starting with a clean slate and a commitment to excellence. Communication is the bridge between a good haircut and a legendary transformation. This determined visionary explains the desire for a modern mullet, a style that requires a perfect balance between short, aggressive sides and a flowy, textured back. The stylist listens intently, analyzing the hair's growth patterns and density to ensure the final result isn't just a copy of a trend, but a customized masterpiece. We discuss the transition from the temple to the ear and how we can use a burst fade to highlight the client's strong features. There is a sense of mutual respect in this room. The stylist honors the client's journey while the client trusts the stylist's technical skill. We are looking for a look that is versatile enough for the boardroom but edgy enough for the weekend. With the plan solidified, it is time to pick up the tools and begin the physical manifestation of this creative vision. The first movement of the clippers is always the most significant. We begin by removing the substantial growth that has accumulated over the months, treating the hair not as a problem but as a project with immense value. This determined visionary watches as the stylist uses a larger guard to clear the field, revealing the underlying structure of the head and face. Every stroke is intentional, executed with surgical precision to ensure a clean foundation. We are not rushing the process. Excellence requires patience. As the weight is removed, you can see the client's expression change. There is an immediate sense of relief and anticipation. The authentic texture is now more manageable, allowing us to see exactly how the hair will respond to the tapering process. This is the respectful canvas rule in action. We treat the hair with admiration, recognizing the natural strength of the volume we are working with today. Now we move into the technical heart of the transformation. Creating a flawless burst fade requires a masterful technique that blends different lengths into one seamless gradient. This determined visionary receives a look that transitions from skin level at the temples into a dark, rich density as it moves toward the crown. The stylist uses a combination of lever play and detail-oriented clipper work to erase any lines of demarcation. This is where pure artistry meets technical skill. You can see the focus in the stylist's hands. Every flick of the wrist is a calculated move designed to achieve a mind-blowing transition. The fade is what provides the contrast that makes the modern mullet so impactful. It highlights the natural symmetry of the face and creates a sharp, clean perimeter that frames the eyes. This level of execution is truly remarkable and sets the stage for the artistry that is about to follow. The signature of a modern mullet is the transition in the back. Unlike traditional styles, this look requires a sophisticated approach to how the hair flows down the neck. This determined visionary is looking for a V-shape or a soft taper that emphasizes the natural movement of the hair. The stylist uses clipper over comb techniques to bridge the gap between the faded sides and the longer length in the back. This is phenomenal work that demands a high level of hand-eye coordination. We are carving out a silhouette that looks incredible from every angle. Notice how the light catches the different levels of the hair. This is a result of flawless execution and a deep understanding of weight distribution. We are creating a game changer for this client, providing a look that is both rugged and refined. The back is where the character of the style truly lives, and we are making sure it makes a powerful statement. Transitioning from clippers to shears, we enter a phase of the cut that requires a soft, artistic touch. This determined visionary has hair with incredible thickness, which provides us the opportunity to use advanced texturizing techniques. The stylist picks up the shears to remove weight from the top without sacrificing the overall length. This creates air in the hair, allowing it to move naturally and stay in place with minimal effort. It is an unbelievable transition to watch. The hair goes from being a heavy mass to a light, versatile structure. We are point cutting the ends to create a messy yet intentional fringe that falls perfectly over the forehead. This is pure artistry in motion. Every snip is a decision made to enhance the client's natural texture. By the time the shear work is done, the hair has a new sense of life and a radiance that was previously hidden beneath the bulk. A complete transformation must include the facial hair to achieve total aesthetic harmony. This determined visionary possesses a strong beard that serves as the perfect anchor for the new hairstyle. The stylist treats the beard with the same surgical precision as the hair, fading the sideburns into the beard for a seamless connection. We use detailed trimmers to define the cheek lines and the neckline, creating sharp, crisp borders that exude professionalism. This level of detailing is a game changer. It provides a sense of order that makes the entire look appear more sophisticated. We are aiming for a look that is absolutely incredible, where the hair and beard work together to project confidence and charisma. The beard is shaped to follow the jawline, enhancing the client's profile and providing a rugged finish to the technical masterpiece we have created. No detail is too small when you are aiming for perfection in the grooming chair. At this stage, we transition from the technical to the experiential. This determined visionary is treated to a high-energy yet relaxing hot towel service. The heat of the towel prepares the skin for the final razor work, opening the pores and softening any stray hairs. This is a moment of pure luxury in a professional environment. The atmosphere in the shop is one of elite craftsmanship, where the client's comfort is just as important as the haircut itself. After the towel is removed, the stylist applies a premium shaving gel and uses a straight razor to polish the edges. This legendary experience is what builds the relationship between the stylist and the client. It is a moment of reflection for the client, seeing the massive change that has occurred over the last hour. The skin is left feeling refreshed and the lines are left looking sharper than ever, completing the technical phase of the journey. The final look is all about how we present the work. This determined visionary is ready for the styling phase, where we use top-tier products to bring the vision to life. The stylist applies a texturizing clay or a sea salt spray to the damp hair, using a blow dryer to direct the flow and build volume at the roots. This is where you see the phenomenal result of the texturizing we did earlier. The hair stands up with strength and falls back with a natural grace. We are creating a look that is next level, a style that stays in place throughout a busy day but remains soft to the touch. The stylist uses their fingers to piece out the fringe, ensuring that the mohawk or mullet peak is exactly where it needs to be. The contrast between the skin-tight fade and the voluminous top is now fully realized, creating a breathtaking visual impact that is truly remarkable. Finally, we reach the climax of our 10-minute journey. This determined visionary looks into the mirror for the first time since we started, and the reaction is absolutely priceless. The transformation is complete and the results are mind-blowing. We have taken a heavy, unrefined canvas and turned it into a sharp, modern masterpiece. The client's confidence is visibly heightened. You can see it in their posture and the sinister smile of someone who knows they look their best. This is why we do what we do, to provide a game changer for people who value their appearance and their identity. From every angle, the execution is flawless. The modern mullet is a testament to the fact that classic styles can be redefined for a new generation with the right skill and vision. Thank you for witnessing this masterful evolution. Remember to stay sharp, stay confident, and always trust the process of a professional who treats your hair as a work of art.